In a small village near the beach in West Sumatra, there lived a boy named Malin Kundang with his mother Mande Rubaya. They live in poverty.
Malin! Malin! Please help me to carry this firewood. Yes, Mom!
Malin was a hardworking boy. However, he wanted to change the destiny.
Mom,
Yes, Malin.
I want to sail overseas. I want to become a successful and make you happy, Mom.
It is so hard for me. But this is for your future. Then go. But you can promise one to me. Don't forget your mother, Malin.
I promise, Mom.
Years later, Malin worked very hard in another land. Eventually, he became a wealthy merchant and married a beautiful woman.
My husband, are we going to visit your hometown?
Yes, but only for a short time.
The news of Malin's return reached his mother. Full of happiness, Mande Rubaya ran to the beach.
Malin, my son!
But Malin felt ashamed to admit his poor mother in front of his wife.
Malin! My son! Finally you come your home, Malin! Hey, old woman! I'm not your son! This is your mom, Malin!
My husband, who had that woman?
I don't know her. Let's go. Malin!
Mande Rubaya felt deeply hurt by Malin's words.
Oh God, if he is truly my son, please make him realize his mistake. But if he is disobedient, then punish him for what he has done.
Soon after that, a hook song stopped Malin's ship.
Mr. Malin, the waves are very big.
Oh my God! Help me! Help me!
Lightning struck the ship and it was destroyed. Finally, Malin Kundang turned into stone. From the story of Malin Kundang, we learned that we must respect and love our parents because their love is priceless.